Naay mga film nga dili lang nimo lantawon, pero mga film nga bisag duha na ka semana ang minglabay, makahuna-huna gyapon ka no. Ug maka-reflect jud ka sa imong kinabuhi. Hi everyone, I am Batang Danau, Zion Ababol, and welcome to my vlog. And karong adlaw, will review a film no kay gisugo man ta sa tong advertising principles and practices nga subject. So, ang una na to nga i-review, duha man ni siya, is Sleeping with a Tiger. And I'll be reading the synopsis of the film. Sleeping with a Tiger is directed by Anja Salomonowitz. I don't know how to read that one. And it is a biographical drama inspired by the life of an Austrian painter nga si Maria Lasnig. The film follows Maria's journey as she tries to become an artist despite living in a world na dili pa ready nga mo appreciate sa iyahang art o sa iyang way of seeing things. Throughout the story, we see her struggles with rejection, loneliness, self-doubt, and people constantly questioning her dreams. Despite of those challenges, she continued creating art and choosing herself. Wow! O karon, moving on to my personal reaction. Ang film, ang nakakuha jud sa kong attention una was not actually the story, no? It's the visuals, the colors themselves. Kay as someone nga ma-enjoy jud og colors og visual storytelling, no? Ay ginabalik-balik yun ako ni since last year pa nga intro to film nga colors jud akong una nga ma-notice. And ganahan kay ko sa ka-muted sa colors, sa ka-gloomy sa colors. Kay instead nga mahimong boring ang film, I think murag ning reflect pod siya or ning resonate pod siya sa emotions nga gusto ipadala sa film or gusto niya or sa English pa the emotions that film was trying to communicate. Murag every frame was intentional, made to feel as feels Maria's loneliness, confusion, and determination. It reminded me nga ang cinematography di ay or ang film, it is not just about making something to look beautiful or to look good, to look crisp. It's about making people feel something without saying too much. Yes. Another thing I genuinely admire was Maria herself. Ganahan kay ko na Maria, guys, because she had always been different from the people around her. While everyone else was thinking about what was practical, Maria kept following what she believed in. She continued creating even when people didn't understand her. And honestly, kana gyud ang nagapa-catch sa akong heart towards Maria, no? Ang iyahadyong courage. That kind of courage is rare. And I admire that. There was one line of the film that stayed with me no bisag karon di Japon ko malimot pero di na ako maka-remember sa exact line but she said something like this. Life was never good to me. Ha, di ba sakit kayo? Kasi before nato ma-prove ang atong mga kaugalingon sa ubang tao, atong worth rather, people don't always show kindness or gentleness towards us kung wala pa tayo napatunayan, di ba? Instead of encouraging our dreams, they question our dreams. Instead of believing in our potential, they focus on our uncertainties. And while watching that scene, I couldn't help but remember a chapter of my life. I started, photography when I was 16 years old. 16 years old. Grade 10 ko and going grade 11. So, it's a crucial year for me to choose what strand I want to pursue on my senior high school strand. And ma-feel na ko si Maria kay kuan siya kanang di ba nag-teach na siya, teacher na siya, but she still chose to quit her teaching job and pursue art instead. And yes, ato nga mga time kay moingon jud ang mga tao nga dili daw practical mag film and photography, mag arts and design. So I took up STEM for a year. Nag-STEM jud ko on my grade 11. But then I was not feel at home. Mao nang pagka-grade 12, ana jud ko nga mobalhin jud ko og arts and design, major in film and photography because mas buhi ko og dako sa film and photography. And mo nang ang story ni Maria bitaw kay murag personal kay siya sa kuha. Ano bitaw naa jud siya duot gamay because I was like her when I was young. 'Di ba despite everything nga pang discourage sa iya, she still chose to continue. She still believed in herself. She still gave herself a chance to go to Paris. 'Di ba imagine that? Iyahang gibiyaan tanang familiars, tanang comfortable og niadto jud siya wala assurance nga ma-successful ba siya sa Paris or not, but she still chose to go to Paris. Ha, 'di ba? And give herself a chance. And dili ta na ingana nga courage. And somehow ingana gid pug ko. I took up psychology for 2 years in Pagadian City. I was part of the publication. I have my job as a courtside reporter. I was on the radio back then in Pagadian. But then I was miserable. I am not myself fully. Mo nang I took the risk to be here in Cagayan de Oro to be a com student. 'Di ba? Nag-com ko bay. Wala yung assurance. Wala ko'y work dire. Wala ko'y friends. I don't know what subjects nga ma-credits. Mo nang, Maria is me in another life. And the film made me realize nga ang imong self-belief, imong self-perception is very important yun sa atong kaugalingon, no? Because even though daghan kayo kasaba sa kalibutan sa people around us, if we know who we are deep inside, kung asa gyud taamas mabuhi, dili na to sila paminawon. Just like what Maria did. Eto yung siyang Paris. And, my God, 'di ba? The success that Maria has in Paris is a reminder for us or for those who are watching if naamang galing, no? To pursue what we love. To pursue or to give ourselves a chance. Kay, sa usahay sa ubang lugar or sa naay mga lugar nga dili makita atong worth, but dili unta ta mo settle ana nga mga lugar. We should find a place nga ma-value kung kinsa ta, ma-value atong creativity, ma-value atong art, atong craft. And unta dili ta mamahimong tawo bitaw nga murag napalong ang gugma sa ilahang ginabuhat. Instead, we should be those people who keep fueling our passion, our heart to find place, to give ourselves a chance, and to go out there. Kay dako kayo ang kalibutan. And Maria Lasnig story is the very testimony of that. So I think that's it. Mura na akong takeaway sa film, no? Og I hope tanan ta makakita sa lugar kung asa gyud ta dapat, kung asa ta ma-appreciate, kung asa atong worth ma-recognize, og kung asa we can truly grow, or kung asa we can truly be the person we are meant to be. Because sometimes sa kalibutan nga usahay, because sometimes the world doesn't need us to become someone else. Sometimes we just need to find a place where we can fully bloom. 'Di ba? Thank you for watching, and I think 10 minutes naman, hindi naman 6 minutes. Pero kibera.